Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. Today we're going to talk about Adirondack chairs. These are Adirondack chairs from Amish country in Tennessee, Etheridge Tennessee. So if you're ever in the area, I recommend you stop by and consider picking some up. Made out of wood, and they're very heavy. So what I'm doing today is going to paint some, and I bought 4 of these. I think I wound up paying $100 each. So a couple of people recommended, turn them upside down to start with. Yesterday I did start on this one. I had a little bit of blue paint, so I started on it yesterday. I'm going to finish it up today. Made a trip into Lowe's to pick up some paint, and so I had to match the blue paint. There's any of the big box stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. can do for you. But I went with the Extreme All-Weather Protection. I'm going to have these Adirondack chairs out by the pool, and I plan on leaving them out there year-round. And so I thought, well, you know what? I made the trip to Tennessee to get these Amish made Adirondack chairs. I'm going to get the best paint going. So I got a blue going on there. I've got a red there. I'm going to make the pool a little bit colorful. Gonna have orange chair here, and the other chair is going to be is that mustard yellow, maybe mustard yellow, something like that. So we're gonna have yellow, blue, red, and orange chairs. I just went ahead and picked up 4 of these brushes at Lowe's, a couple of bucks each, $2.50 maybe, I don't know. And that way I don't have to be cleaning brushes, waiting for them to dry. So I'm gonna knock all 4 of these chairs out. I think it's gonna be fairly easy. Have some old worn out mechanics gloves here. You could put on, some rubber gloves or something that everyone's wearing during COVID. But it's not gonna bother these to get a little paint on them. Like I said, they're several years old. So I'll let you know how this goes after I get all of them painted. And it's a beautiful day here in Alabama. High today, I think, is about, 72. Not a cloud in the sky hardly, and sun shining. So Adirondack chairs from Amish country, made by the Amish. Levi made these for me. Levi's a great guy. Lives just outside of Etheridge, Tennessee. I'll check back after they're painted. Okay, wanted to give you a quick interim step, show you how it's going here. Looks like the yellow may need 2 coats, I don't know, kind of like white. Your tendency is going to want to paint as much as possible, but remember, when you flip it over, you're going to be able to paint the front side last, and you're going to have some drips like this. So what happens is, if you paint the top last, you'll be able to correct those dots. So anyway, I'm trying to paint quickly here. I see a few spots there I'm going to grab. I'm going to go ahead and flip that one over, paint it red, and then I'm going to circle back, flip the blue one over upright, and touch it up. Flip this one over upright, paint the top, same thing over there. And then after that, I'll circle back maybe one more time just for touch-ups, and I'll be done. I don't know, what am I into this? 30 minutes now, maybe? Not too bad when you lay it all out and get to going. Okay, folks, here's another look after one coat. You can see the blue may or may not need a second coat. The yellow definitely needs a second coat. So you can see how it looks after one. I see there's a few places I may have to hit it with a little light sander and get some of the bubbles off, or the drips, and repaint it. Here's the red. Again, it looks like maybe it doesn't need a second coat, but I'll probably touch it up either late this afternoon or tomorrow. And here's the orange. So you will note on these Adirondack chairs that are treated, you know, they got a little bit of green tint to them. So when you put your paint on there, they could be a touch different color. So yeah, if you're like me, a little messy, I might recommend wearing some kind of gloves. But you see, that would have been on my hand and I would have been having a hard time using some mineral spirits or gasoline. I know you're not supposed to use gasoline, but anyway, use what you got, right? That roller, I tried that. I'm not sure I would recommend a roller on Adirondack chairs. That's more for, I think, walls and stuff like that. But here we go. I'm liking the looks of them. And I'm hoping I can use these brushes another time. You see, I'm not the best person to clean it up, but imagine that. You mix blue with yellow, you get green. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on how this is going. The next picture you'll see should be by the pool. Okay, not quite the finished product, but here you go, what I had in mind with my Adirondack chairs. Not quite finished. This is only one coat, so you can see what I had in mind, folks. Line them up. You know, colors are, more colors the more fun, right? What fun would it have been if they were all blue or all red or something like that? So I do plan on putting another coat of paint on these. You probably can't tell from here, but there's a few places that need some touch up. There you have it, folks. The Amish Adirondack chairs from Etheridge, Tennessee. They're heavy, folks. They're not going anywhere, unlike these plastic ones that I've had that I kind of like too. You know, they get blown into the pool here and stuff like that. But I probably will look and see if I can find some sort of a cover for these for the winter. But I did buy the high-end paint that's supposed to be really good for weather resistance. Who knows, I might put a coat of polyurethane or something like that. Yeah, you know, after they've dried, you can see some spots that that need touching up. But there you have it, folks. Another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. You never can tell what Rod's going to review or share with you. $100 a piece. I think you can get them at some other locations in Etheridge for $90. I kind of like these with the cup holder. You know, you can be double-fisted here, and even if you have a big cup, it will fit. And you can sit here, you know, watch the kids play in the pool. It's a little cool for that here in October. But yeah, $100 a piece, $90 a piece. Throw a little paint on them, and there you have it. So no more than 110 bucks each. Of course, you got to drive to Etheridge, Tennessee, and buy them straight from Levi or a number of other excellent carpenters up there in Amish country. Thanks for watching, folks. Another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. If you like this, feel free to like it. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I promise unfiltered, unedited videos, first takes on everything. And kind of what you see is what you get. Gotta tell you, I'm loving these multicolored Adirondack chairs. I'm kind of calling these, I forgot what I done forgot the name of it now, but kind of off color, not your basic colors, but comfort colors. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, I love the comfort colors t-shirts, so I love the comfort colors Adirondack chairs. Thanks all. Bye now.